So while Powell is giving his testimony, what happens is another bank blows up. Well, nothing new here. Everyone should be familiar with NYCB Bank by now, but it's what a coincidence. It is 13 months exactly after multiple banks collapsed last year. In 2023, we get 13 months later, we get another bank collapse. And I think there's going to be a domino effect. We're going to find out today, tomorrow, in the next week. There's going to be more banks that are going to say, hey, we got some major issues. And why shouldn't have the issues? Powell, in his testimony, basically says, hey, he's not concerned about lowering rates now. As a matter of fact, he's concerned about lowering them too early, because that basically, guys, what we've talked about in the beginning of the year, okay, the inflation is real. While the majority of the market participants believe that inflation is going lower, inflation is going higher. And he's thinking that there's no way he's going to hit the target. So what is the outcome here? Okay, as more of banks are going to have the trajectory of NYCB. The easiest trade that you can put on utilizing this domino effect would be to short RTY futures. Now, for those of you that don't know what RTY is, it's a Russell 2000 index futures, and the greatest component of this index are regional banks, anywhere from 17 to 19%, depending on when you measure this. From 17 to 19% of this index are regional banks like NYCB. So if we're going to see a domino effect, which could begin as early as today, it is reasonable to expect a sharp move lower in a Russell 2000 futures. Now, if you don't have a futures account set up, you can simply type in ticker RUT, which is Russell 2000 Index, and you can short this. So currently trading at 2073. Ways to go on this. And guys, there's some easy strikes on this that are crazily underpriced right now. Put options are crazily undervalued on this. This is an easy, simple trade that you can put together, but don't trade without a 13 market moves coach. Visit 13mmtv.com. You'll need the exact strike, exact expiration, exact everything. I mean, this setup is just too simple, okay? It is too simple, too beautiful, okay? It calls for at least a 5-10 extra trade here, guys. It is simple. Now, if you care to actually trade another stock that is correlated, you can easily get a sharp move lower in shares of Western Alliance Bancorp, which is synonymous to NYCB. It's another regional bank. This is the bank that used to trade at $80 a share that we've shorted at like 68 a share last year before it dropped all the way to $8. So just for those of you that don't remember that, let's see, let's go to the 1 year chart. There it is, guys, $7.46. Okay, and look, from 76 all the way down to 7. Holy shit, don't you wish you were a part of that trade? So we nailed that trade last year, and traded multiple times. So we think not necessarily will this go to $7, but it could stage a major drop at any given moment. We're noticing a spike in volume in contracts on the put side, especially the 55 strike. But guys, there's other strikes that are better than 55 strike on this that will get you paid a lot more than the typical strike that most of the people normally look at. So if you care to catch some phenomenal trades on a domino effect that's about to take place as a result of what's taken place today at NYCB, then be ready. Guys, give us a call right now at 13mmtv.com. Click the big orange button, sign up to trade with a coach, and don't miss the next 5x, 10x trade. It's going to happen today. It's going to happen tomorrow. The question is, are you going to be a part of these simple, easy trade?